Hey guys, a couple days ago I bought a new bag and it was supposed to arrive Saturday, but they don't apparently a USPS doesn't deliver to apartments straight to the door anymore, so I waited to have it re-delivered today. And I went down and said, oh, I re-delivered a package. And she said, the only one I have is this big one. And it was my baby's little play chair. So I was like, that's not what I asked for it to be delivered, for the package that I wanted to be delivered. So I had to take a taxi because my car is broken down right now. We're supposed to be getting it tomorrow, so hopefully that'll happen. But I had to take a taxi all the way to the post office, so I was just tired of waiting. So I'm just going to unbox this and I'll show you what I got. I don't recommend this because you could easily puncture whatever's in here. Okay. Alright. Okay. Here's a dust bag. Right here. And here is my new baby. It is the Multipli Cite. It's very big. The smaller one is the Vita. I sold my Speedy 30 and to fund this. And here's the bag. She put it in here with it. They didn't have a box big enough for her to ship the box with it. That's fine. I'm not worried about the box, just wanted the bag. Okay, here's the inside. Right there. And then it has a pocket, two pockets in the front right here. I had the Speedy 30, but I honestly needed a bigger bag because I have a 4-month-old. And right here I can put a bottle, which is amazing. Even I wouldn't use this as my cell phone holder because my iPhone's too big. Yeah, this is my new baby. I'm so excited. I only paid $550 for it, and it's in such good shape. Here's the, let me get closer, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in USA. I don't know if I can pull out, oops, sorry. I don't know if I could pull out the date code because it's in the contra lining. And honestly, it'd be probably really hard to see. But yeah, I've waited a week to get this. First, PayPal wouldn't work. And so you can imagine my urgency. I just really wanted to get this bag. It's so beautiful. The straps are in great shape. There's one pen mark, but I can probably get that off with a baby wipe. I mean, this is just great. They're nice, soft. They're not aged real well. You know, they're not too bad. This is bought in 2005, and she said she's kept it in the bag for a while. It has a D-ring, and yeah, this is my second Louis Vuitton purchase. Really excited about it. who the girl that sold it to me, her screen name on Poshmark is Jalia Couture. She has a couple more things on there that I'd love to get, but I can't really afford them right now. So I got this baby. This is how it looks on the back. And I can't stand up because my iPhone won't care. But this is how it looks on. It's perfect. Perfect baby bag. Yeah, I'm very excited. Really wanted... See how smooth that is? I love that. Really wanted a newer Louis Vuitton. I had a vintage French company Speedy. It fell apart. I had to get it fixed. So I just really needed something sturdy. And I love that I can replace these easily. You know, I don't have to have them sewn on. They come right off because they're a buckle. There's a detail right there. I had it authenticated already. I used the app Poshmark, and they have tons and tons of people that sell their designer items on there. And there's one girl I really have to give credit to. Her name is Sarah. She goes by Shill on Poshmark. If you ever need a bag to be authenticated or anything, just tag her in whatever post you want. She will help you. She's amazing. I love her so much. She's so great. And she's really helped me. And I want to thank you, Jalia Couture, for everything. This is a great bag, and I'm so grateful you sold it at such a great price because I really needed something bigger. But yeah, that's my bag. I'll give you one more once over. Right here. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Great bag. I plan on going to the store when tax season comes around. So, this is not going to be my only bag. But thanks guys for watching, and hopefully I can get another bag soon, maybe in February when our tax returns come in, and I'll show you right out of the shopping bag, right out of the box. Okay? Alright, talk to y'all later.